Hey buddies, today I'll be showing you some quick tricks on how you can increase your internet speed on Windows 10. So these are some of the things you can go about in your settings. So I'll be showing you some of the methods. So the first one, we shall go to control panel. No, I think we shall go to control panel. Let's check out on our DNS servers how they are configured. So we shall go to view network status and tasks. I'll go to change adapter settings. So I'll click on a particular network that I'm using and I'll head direct to the properties. So when you click on properties, it will display for you some of these items like client for Microsoft networks, but we shall be looking for the Internet Protocol version 4, that is the TCP IPv4. So we'll go ahead to click on it and head direct to properties. So here what we shall do is we shall change this DNS server addresses. I'll select on this one so that I can put the optional ones. I'll be leaving a link in the description for other DNS servers. You can check them out on Google. They are free servers which you can use. They can help you in speeding your internet connection somehow. So this is what I'll do. I'll use 88. I'll use 88. Like this. Then also I'll go ahead to change the alternate DNS server. Also I'll use 88. Then 44. Put 44. After editing this one, you'll go ahead to save them as OK, and you'll save OK to proceed. So after doing this, then you can go ahead and close the window. This one will be done. So you can go and check on your internet speed and see how it is doing. So another method is I'll be showing you another method. We shall head back. So we need to turn off the background apps. So most of you guys ignore this one. You don't give it attention, but somehow it also affects the speed of your internet. So we shall check out this one by going to settings. We shall go to settings. We can check on our settings up. Then we shall go ahead to open settings and check on privacy. We shall look for settings, privacy. So when we click on privacy, we shall go here on our left and scroll to look for background. Shall look for background apps. So these are the background apps I'm talking about. When you click here, you'll see a number of apps. As you can see, background apps. Let apps run in the background. Choose which apps can run in the background. So when you choose these ones, you can select which one you'd wish to stay running in the background. As you can see, I've turned most of these apps because I don't need them, like the 3D view, the calculator, camera, and other stuff like that. So you can also go ahead in your list. You can turn off all those ones which you don't need. There are very many which you don't need. You can just turn them off. So after turning them off, we are just going to close and just let it be. So this one is also a good way of increasing it, because some of the tasks and applications which consume more of the data are always off. Then the next one, we shall also head to settings. So here we shall be disabling the P2P updates. So we shall scroll down to update and security. So when we reach here, we shall click on advanced options. So when we reach on advanced options, we shall scroll down and click on delivery optimization. So this one we shall just turn off, because most times by default you'll find this one is always turned on. So we shall just turn this one off, allow downloads from other PCs. This one also reduces on the data consumption. Then after that we shall just close this one. We shall also be done with this step. Then the next one is we shall go to disable Windows updates and services. Again, we shall go back. Then the last method, guys, which I can suggest to you, is by going here on search and click on run. Type the word run. So open this run. You'll go ahead to enter the word. You'll enter the word gp edit .msc. So press OK to continue. So this one will bring us here. So what we shall do when we reach here, we shall double click on administration templates. This one, administration templates. Shall double click on them. After clicking on them, we shall click on network. This is network. Also, we shall click on network. After clicking on network, we shall go for QoS. We shall look for QoS packet scheduler. Shall go ahead to click on this one also. Then we shall click on when you click on it, we shall go this side of it. On our right side, we shall go on limit reservable bandwidth. We shall look for limit on reservable bandwidth. So here, when we click on this one, we shall go ahead to edit this one. You can see it's not configured here. We shall go ahead to edit it. As you can see, others are configured whereby here you can find it is in 20s and others. So you have to click on enable, and you can even see here when you click on enable, its bandwidth is 80. So we have to change this one to 0. We don't need to reserve anything. So after typing 0, we shall go ahead to press OK and apply. So here we shall have helped our system not to reserve anything, as in keeping our connection very slow. So thank you guys for watching. These are some of the methods you can try on your PC to increase its internet speed.